Hi, Stefan here. I would like to show you a software addition to your EMG system called PowerPack. It's an additional separate program that installs in your EMG system. It contains several powerful modules to extend the functionality and get a better and faster examination workflow. PowerPack is currently compatible with the following EMG systems. Let me show you some of the functions included. PowerPack adds an extensive set of examination protocols to the KeyPoint.net test menu. Protocols for 18 referred disorder groups are predefined. Let's select the carpal tunnel protocol, for example. Each protocol contains a list of tests to be performed. In this case, it's a mixture of motor, sensor and F-wave tests for both sides, but a protocol may also include EMG and other test types. To start a protocol, select the first test, which is the right median motor in this protocol. All tests in currently selected protocol are shown at the top row with the active test highlighted. Let's complete the first test by making the recordings. When all sites in the active test have been recorded, press the green Next Test button on the KeyPoint keyboard to select the following test in the protocol. You can now see that the next test in order is selected. Perform the recordings for this F-wave test. When the test is completed, repeat the procedure of pressing Next Test and perform the recordings for all listed tests until the protocol is completed. You may change protocol at any time if you change your strategy during the examination. Go to the test menu and switch to the polyneuropathy protocol instead. All recordings already performed will be shared between protocols. This means that it's not necessary to repeat a test even if you switch protocol in the middle of an investigation. For long protocols, the remaining test list can be seen in this drop-down window. Protocols can easily be modified if you prefer a different workflow. It's easy to change the test order inside a protocol by moving a selected test up or down. To remove a test, select it and click the red X button. Click on the Add button to insert a new test to the protocol. Let's add left motor peroneal, for example. The edited protocol is saved and will be used from now on. Built-in examination protocols in the EMG equipment has obvious advantages. It minimizes the risk of doing too many, too few or wrong tests. It also gives a better and faster workflow with a minimum of test selection operations. PowerPack includes a large set of normal reference limits for neurography, EMG and most other test types. Let me demonstrate how this works. I stimulate the motor median at the wrist. The results are immediately compared to normal limits and displayed in the data table. In this case, the latency is prolonged, indicated with the red background, and the amplitude is normally indicated by the green background. The abnormal normal indication is updated when the marker is adjusted. If I place the marker simulating a very short latency, the result color changes to dark green. This indicates a supernormal result, but can also be an indicator of a misplaced marker. If I stimulate the elbow and insert the distance, the conduction velocity and the amplitude difference will be compared to normal limits. Normal limits for motor unit analysis are available for 21 muscles. The outer green box is the normal range for individual motor units, and the inner green box is the normal range for the mean value indicated by the X. Turns amplitude clouds are available for 7 muscles. Results compared to normal limits are shown in red and green both on the screen during the examination and also in the nerve conduction summary and in final word reports, both as numerical results and as a graphical summary. Comparison with normal limits is of course crucial in neurodiagnostics. To have them integrated in the EMG equipment reduces the diagnostic process time dramatically and increases the quality control during examination. On the StahlbergSoftware.com website you will find a list of all normal limits included in PowerPack. PowerPack includes a built-in help system that shows information about currently active tests in a separate window. In this case we have selected the median motor wrist site and can see corresponding electrode placement image in the help window. If I switch to elbow, the help window is updated with a new image, and then back to wrist again. The help window can be moved, resized and zoomed. In addition to electrode placement images, click on the next icon for a method description for current nerve. If the key point is connected to internet, online help information for current nerve is available. Click the next icon for a detailed description of the disorder background and strategy for currently selected protocol. PowerPack includes 130 electrode placement images, 74 method descriptions and 145 pages of disorder strategies. You can easily modify or replace any image linked to the help system. As we have seen, PowerPack includes protocols for faster and optimal examination workflow, help window with electrode placement images and method descriptions, and built-in normal reference limits. In addition to this, PowerPack also includes a full setup of amplifiers, stimulators and algorithms that matches the normal limits. Report templates are included as well to make the entire setup complete. Please visit StahlbergSoftware.com to read more and check out the details.